So if you have an iPhone that is older than iPhone 15 series, then one feature that your iPhone might miss is that the new feature that they have introduced with iPhone 15 series, and they call it iPhone charge limit. It is kind of like the next upgradation of optimized battery charging. So what you need to do is you just set a custom charge limit, that is whether it's 80, 85, 90, 95. So when that charge reaches that limit, so then your phone automatically disconnects its power from the main brick, so your phone doesn't accept any kind of further charge. So, and what if I tell you that your very own phone can also kind of like feature, kind of like perform the same way, but give you almost like similar feature on your own iPhone without you need to tamper any like hardware settings or anything. So stick till this end of the video and I'll show you, or I'll walk through you the steps like how you can do this thing. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the main video then. So in order to get the automation, so what you need to do is open shortcut app, then press the go to this automation tab, then press this plus I button, then scroll down until you see battery level and slide it till your preferred battery percentage. In my case I'll set it 85%. Next you need to make sure that it's selected rises above 85%, then press on run immediately, then press next, then new blank automation, then add action, search for timer, set timer, tap on this minutes button, choose seconds, then press on this duration, then press 1 second, like press 1. So now press done. So in order to check this automation, what I can do is I can manually show you, like go to this, then you need not to do any of this. So whenever your battery level just passes 85%, then it will like it will give you a timer. So in that way, like you will be notified like when your phone charges to 85%, and in that way you can just unplug it. Like this is like you have to manually unplug it. There is no way to automatically cut the charge, because that's a software feature, and Apple was so greedy that they didn't implemented this software feature onto their older iPhones. Like Samsung did this to their older Samsung Galaxy phones through just by their software update, but Apple, being Apple, they didn't do this. So this is the only way you can like get the charge limit. And like if you don't like want to set the timer, then what you can again do is just press this plus button again, go to this battery level, select your desired slide it to your desired battery percentage, make sure it rises above 85, then run immediately, then press next, then speak text, then just type anything. You just need to type, you can type anything, like you may even type the name. Like here I'm typing battery charge. So whenever it just passes 85%, battery level charging 85%, so what happens,
battery charged,
it says battery charge like this. It just gives you a notification kind of thing, but you might hear or might not hear it. So the safest bet would be setting a timer. So in that way you'll be definitely notified that you like you can unplug the charger, unplug your phone from the charger just when it passes your desired charge limit. So yeah, this is all about like how you can set the charge limit on your older iPhone. So this is the only way that I have found useful. Like this is like I charge my phone using this method. So like whenever my phone charges to 80%, what it does, my phone does is that it it start a timer for 1 second, then it start ringing. Then what I need to do is I need to just unplug it from the charging brick. So I found this was the only method that is useful, other than like need to jailbreaking your phone. Like if you want to really want that charge limit feature, then what the only way you can get that charge limit feature on your iPhone is by like jailbreaking your iPhone. Like, yes, other than jailbreaking, you cannot implement that iPhone charge limit feature natively onto your iPhone. So yes, this is the only way that I have found that serves my use case. So like, if you found this video helpful, do like it, and if you have any thoughts or any comment, then do put that in my comment box down below. And please share this video with your friend, and if you found this video helpful, then do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll